Recently I got a new purchase, and it is this little pedal here. It's called the Beat Buddy Mini 2. It's from a company called Singular Sound, who are based in the United States. And this is the mini version of their bigger pedal called the Beat Buddy. And I wanted to share my thoughts with you today on this pedal. I've already used this pedal and I'm pretty impressed with what it can do. So in a moment or two I'm going to let you hear some sounds from the Beat Buddy Mini 2. But first of all, I'm going to let you see a video just of one of our performances that I did and one that I was leading worship in church with, just to let you hear how it sounds like in a live setting before we go into actually listening to the Beat Buddy Mini 2. Oh, so highly exalted, glorious in heaven above. So let's take a look at the Beat Buddy 2. Hopefully we can see this. Okay, so we have 3 little lights here. One is for intro, drum fill and transition. I'll explain that to you in a moment. This is your volume rocker for your volume of your drums. And as you can see, this here reads your genre. And if we turn around here, you can choose your different genres. But if you press this button, this will then take you to your song. So there are various types of ballads. And if you press again, this brings you to your tempo. So we go back to there. Now this button here, if you hold and press in, you can choose to have your intro on or off, but we'll keep it on for this. And simply to start your drums, remember this is usually on the floor, just hit this with your foot. As you can hear, the drum beat, the Beat Buddy is now playing. To put a fill in, you simply press, and you see the fill light has just flashed. And then to change your transition, you hold the button in, and you see it flashing blue. It changes your beat slightly. You can hear a bit of a ride cymbal there going. And then we press again for fill, just to show you. And to finish your drums, you simply just tap twice. Just like that. So that's the Beat Buddy in action. Give you a bit more detail here, see if we can show the, so it's really hard to see this. So you've country, you've over 200 different beats. There's a jazz one. Let's try jazz, just to give you an idea. And let's go for a transition. You can see the blue light flashing. And if you want to go back to your original again, you just hold it in again. And it's starting to tap. And again, just to finish, double tap for your outro. So we've jazz, Latin, there's metal. See, to change your tempo, you just scroll round, you press the button, and that changes your song. So there's about 11 metal type songs, we'll stick to the one. So go to the next one is your tempo, so we can, it's currently at 86, let's make it 90. And we just press and get an intro. For fill. And a transition. Hold in. Well, I think you'll agree with me. There's some realistic sounds on this Beat Buddy Mini 2. Small piece of kit, it is really, really good. That's the Beat Buddy Mini by Singular Sound. And on Singular Sound, they also have a list of various songs. And because I'm a worship leader involved in worship, there's even worship songs. But there's hundreds upon hundreds of a library of songs which would tell you what drums would suit your song the very best. And I think that's really good because that's very helpful. Now, the Beat Buddy, the original Beat Buddy, comes with an SD card. It's a lot bigger. You can also program your drums for your sets and stuff. But I have used this as well in church, and it seemed to work fine for me. So my verdict on this is I think it's a really good pedal. It's good for practicing with, but you can use it when you're in a live setting. Now, a lot of people have said that you can't really use it live, but for me personally, I can. I've used it live, and it works for me. So thank you so much, and I hope that you have fun checking out the Beat Buddy Mini 2 by Singular Sound.